Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to customize ChatGPT to get the best, most personalized responses for your needs. Whether you are creating content, generating ideas, or optimizing your workflow, customizing ChatGPT can make a huge difference. Most people use AI without realizing they can fine tune it to match their style, goals, and even their business. So, in this video, I will walk you through how to make ChatGPT work for you. So, let's dive in. So, before we get started, make sure, guys, you give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to this channel. Alright, guys, here we are on my dashboard. So this is my ChatGPT dashboard. This is my account on ChatGPT. Looks like this. So to customize ChatGPT, you have to provide ChatGPT with information about yourself, maybe your name, your business, your domain name, what you do, and so on. So basically, to do this, just go to this image right here, your profile, and you find explore ChatGPTs, customize ChatGPT, setting, download the Windows app, an upgrade plan, and get ChatGPT search extension. So you have to choose this area to customize ChatGPT. Go ahead. So here we are. Customize ChatGPT. Introduce yourself to get better, more personalized responses. So, what should ChatGPT call you? This is your name. Make sure you write your name right here. Alright? What do you do? Your job, maybe your work, your business. Founder of DigitalDevelopmentJourney.com. DigitalDevelopmentJourney.com is a website where we are sharing ideas, guidelines, and articles and everything else like that. So, what traits should ChatGPT have? Conversational and friendly, motivational and energetic, deep and analytics, analytical, deep and analytical, creative and innovation. So you could provide ChatGPT with all of those if you want. That's your choice. And anything else ChatGPT should have or should know about you. So you could choose this area to provide ChatGPT with a description about yourself, your business, or anything else you want ChatGPT to remember or know about you. So advanced right here, web search, Dell, code, canvas, and advanced voices. So I have those all ChatGPT capabilities. So let's go to the next step. So the next step is right here, setting. I hit up to setting, personalization. Alright, here, memory. Manage memories. I have 100% file. Alright. So I provide ChatGPT with 100% of questions that it have been asked for. So let's have a look. Manage memories. Alright. So guys, I've been recording this video without preparing to this video, or so just have this idea of launching this video, recording this video or sharing this video, because most people they've been asking me something going wrong. I don't know is that all right. So most people they've been asking me about a lot of things, like they say. So we don't want to hear like AI voice on your channel or something like that. We want the real person to talk. That's why I prefer to record this video myself without using AI voice or something like that. So memory is fun. New memories won't be created. You can forget existing memories to make space learn more. So this is my name wants text to reflect self-development instead of edits. Alright, is interested in using AI-powered tools to create social media reels. So this is what I do basically. This is my name, where I'm from Morocco, based in Morocco, 25 years. Tahar struggled with laziness for many years, but began learning English in 2019 to become the best version of himself. So all of those are questions or answers that I answer ChatGPT to understand me better and provide the most exclusive or the best results to feed my needs. So basically, this is how you can personalize or customize ChatGPT to fit your needs. So basically, in this way, only you could customize ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will provide you with the most exclusive results and valuable responses. So if you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Share this video. So thank you so much, and if you are interested to know more about AI and ChatGPT and how it works, don't forget to leave us a comment below and with your question or anything related to ChatGPT or self-development or whatever it is. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.